you want to do a sneeze challenge?
I'm so
Tired. I didn't sleep good last night, and we just got back from our shift.
because I just had my break, but that was like 3 minute video.
Yeah.
It was like 3 minutes. I don't know. You want to do a sneeze challenge?
Yeah.
3 times.
I'm just eating my
I want to eat some more. Ready?
Hey,
Hey, you treated.
oh, sorry, I just wanted to know. Can I redo that one?
Yeah.
Two.
Let's not fight. I don't want to fight.
Two. Two. I slipped on that one. So tired I want to slip. Let's eat some last week.
Instead of just eating, why don't we go back home and lay down while we're eating?
Yeah.
And
Let's just go back home.
I'll get
Wait,
stuff.
do you want to get in my house and do it? Sleep a little bit?
Oh yeah, and then we come to my house and if we're not tired anymore, we play some video games at my house and play some Fortnite.
Yeah, so when we're not tired anymore, we just go to your house.
Okay, let's go.